Welcome to our channel, Talkin' English.
The Prince, the Princess, and the Magic of Family. Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom surrounded by sparkling rivers and tall green mountains, there lived a kind-hearted young prince named Leo and his clever sister, Princess Lily. Their parents, King Roland and Queen Elena, ruled with kindness and love, teaching their children the greatest lesson of all, the magic of family. Prince Leo's Adventure. One bright morning, Prince Leo decided he wanted to go on an adventure beyond the castle. "I want to explore the enchanted forest," he said. His father, King Roland, gave him a smile and said, "Remember, Leo, family is your guide. Whenever you need help, just think of us, and you'll find your way." But Leo, eager to discover things on his own, didn't listen closely. He galloped deeper into the forest, with excitement in his heart and a sense of adventure in his mind. Princess Lily's Wisdom. Princess Lily, however, had a different approach. "Family is everything," she often said. "When we work together, we can do anything." One afternoon, while picking flowers with Queen Elena, she noticed Leo had gone off to the forest alone. Princess Lily, concerned, "Mother, I think Leo might need help. He's lost in his adventure." Queen Elena, smiling softly, "Trust your heart, Lily. Sometimes our family's love can guide us home, even from the deepest forests." Soon, Prince Leo realized he had wandered far from home. The forest was dark, and the trees seemed to whisper around him. Prince Leo, nervously, he called out, "Mother! Father Lily!" Just then, he heard a familiar voice. It was Princess Lily, riding her horse through the trees, with Queen Elena and King Roland by her side. "Princess Lily," calmly, "Leo, we're here. Family is always here to help, no matter what." Together, they returned to the castle, where they shared stories, laughter, and all the lessons they had learned. And so, Prince Leo learned that adventure was exciting, but the real magic was in the love and support of his family. From that day on, Prince Leo and Princess Lily always remembered that no matter where they went or what they did, their family would always be there to guide them. For in the end, family is the greatest adventure of all. And they lived happily ever after, surrounded by love, wisdom, and the magic of family.
Thanks for watching. Fluent and Bright. Speak English, right?